Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. So I did want to updates on another play that I did that I didn't actually post it to anybody. This is again using that breakout strategy. It's going again with what I was doing with Nike. Again, Nike's running to the upside too, which is pretty nice. But with Chargepoint, I actually took the play I think yesterday when I actually saw that for the second, it actually broke previous high, June 14th, and then June 21st, it still broke all time previous or relative high again. So that's why I took that play. Currently, I bought and call somewhere around here. My current take profit is going to be 39, and the next one is going to be 40. It might still be a good time to get into charge point, to be honest. But again, you would have to use the setup, and your TPs would be 39, 40, and 41 at the most riskiest. So I just wanted to tell you guys again that this breakout strategy does work. Like you just have to be consistent with it. Over time, you will see a probability accuracy of probably higher. You'll win more than you lose, right? But again, this is just updating you guys on another play that I did on ChargePoint. I'll probably upload on that too. And then the Nike breakout strategy is working out pretty well. So I'll see you guys later.